pakiramdam?
Well, thank you Lord, no, sign of relief sa amin, but we're still 1-4, syempre. We know talagang coming to this game, kailangan namin maging positive every time. So, for us right now, never too high, never too low. Yung hungry, andun pa rin. And hopefully, ma-turn na rin namin yung series.
In terms of aggressiveness, parang hindi lang ikaw yung naging aggressive, parang talagang lahat kayo nung sabi mo dun sa effort ng lahat ng...
Well, at credit syempre sa lahat ng players, no, teams, not just yung mga naglalaro. From dugout pa lang, yung mga bench player, yung mga stringers namin, talagang positive mindset na sila. Sa dugout pa lang, grabe yung energy nila. So, I think nagkaroon kami ng positive vibes no, coming to this game, and all credit din sa adjustment ng coaching staff namin, syempre. And big game para sa amin.
Tingin nyo ba na kung nakukuha nyo na yung mga ginagawa ng TNT para
for us right now, happy kami no, na tabla namin, but we know TNT, their coaching staff, Coach Shot, no, alam natin na battle of adjustment to. So we know mag-adjust sila coming sa next game, and hopefully kung anong work namin sa practice and then ma-apply namin sa next game. Thank you.